makeup.
It's 11:49
I need to take this. Hey guys, so it's my cousin sister's wedding and it's a destination wedding. So we are supposed to be packing now, and I'm, of course, this is the last moment when I'm packing, but I have all the things ready with myself. So let us quickly get into putting everything into the suitcase. That is the utmost important thing. So this is my suitcase right here, which I ordered in the Myntra sale. So I'll just be putting everything up here. Let me just adjust you guys. Just give me a second. Okay. Okay, so this angle is best, and this is the suitcase right here. We'll be fitting everything in. I have all my clothes that I'll be wearing ready. So order wise हम रख देते हैं. So order wise, let's keep everything in. So I have lots and lots of clothes for every event. I have all the clothes got packed, and they are for every event. Okay, so this is for the wedding that I'm wearing. This is for wedding, so this will be at the last. This is for haldi. Haldi is day after tomorrow. Haldi is tomorrow, and today is Sufi night. So I will need this for Sufi night. Let's just put everything in here. This is an extra kurti if I wish to change during the fairas. Okay, so I think I have just kept this. This need not get packed that much. The other things I want all packed. Okay, so let me just grab my casual clothing now, and I'll be fitting all of those things right here. So if we have to go for buffet and nightwear, I needed some clothes. ऐसे अगर हल्दी और engagement के बीच में जो टाइम होता है उस टाइम पे भी चाहिए होते हैं. So all of those are there. These are some bags that I will need. This is the clutch. This is my another favorite bag, and this has a lot of accessories inside of it. I have to keep more accessories. So I'm just putting everything right into this. Some safety pins go in. Of course, this is some. I need to get this done on my hair. So if I feel like I need this, I will use it for my hair. These are some accessories. I hope they stay well. So all the accessories are in this. These are the clothes that I'll need there. I just hope I don't forget anything. So now what happens is I don't need these two big things because I have that Aqualens ka box that I showed you. That is very convenient to use. So I don't need these extra things. I just hope I won't require extra of this. Also, I've got these two earrings. These should go on my gown that I'm wearing, and this also could help somewhere. All of those basic electronics also I need to put. My phone's charger, my earphones charger, my portable charger, everything I need to put somewhere. Alright, so this is, there's no small pocket, but I'm carrying some small pockets. That is this bag, so this should also help. I'll just put everything into this. I'm just carrying this suitcase and this duffel bag. So what happens is अगर इसकी zip खोलते हैं तो ये बड़ा हो जाता है. That is what I love about this. इसके बाद my earphones go right in. I hope I don't forget anything. Like, destination weddings are good as well, but can they be hectic as well? Like, अपने घर में सब आराम होते हैं and everything, but of course destination weddings is a bigger mark. Okay, so destination weddings are of course more fun. I'm wearing contacts right now, so I'm just keeping my specs. At least I should carry with myself, and these are medicines, face wash. I'm just keeping these extra things just in case. So I just hope they are of no use. It's just better if you have your own things all together. अब मेरे को ये मिसेलर रखना है, but the problem is this: the packaging is all gone for these bottles. I will show you. For a bigger bottle as well, their packaging is raddi. It doesn't lock. It will only leak. Even this one doesn't lock. I am thinking of taping this because it's an important item for me. I'll just take this so that I can carry it. I need to tape this. Now I'm supposed to keep my footwears. I will keep these flats for roaming around the hotel. Also, I've kept these Steve Madden Valley heels. I'll show them to you when I wear them. So this is right here. It goes in. I've kept these ones. I've kept these flats. I'm wearing these, so this is what I will keep because I'm wearing them to the hotel. Then these beauties are right here. This beauty is right here. Have a look at these beauties. So they are also going with me. I want to wear them with a gown. I will just put them all together in this bag. Also, I have to keep my makeup kit. So this goes right in. Makeup kit also I will put into this. This is the makeup kit now that I'll be using. So इसमें खूब सारा makeup मैंने ठूस लिया है, and I hope just everything is right in place. I actually don't like packing because I suck at it. I just can't pack because there's a lot of planning that goes into it. I had to make a whole list of what all things I had to keep, and I hope I am within that list. I will have to cross check. Okay, so this is the makeup kit. It goes right here because I will make sure that this bag is always with me. Okay, anyways, the suitcase is all protected and this has all the clothes in it. But this bag has my heels and should I keep sports shoes? For what will I need it? It'll be just extra baggage. Okay, so this is the makeup kit. I need to keep this. I need sellotape. I don't have sellotape in my room. How could I forget these? Today I was working so much that I hit my nails so many times. It just hurts. ऐसे ना पूरा ऐसे कुछ भी कर रहे हो ना उसमें से लग जाता है तो बहुत दर्द होता है. It just hurts a lot. So that has happened with me for quite a few times throughout the day. सुबह से बस 4 घंटे हुए मेरे को उठे हुए और उसी में इतना दर्द हो चुका है ना मेरे को इसमें. This is for accessories. Where are my accessories? I'm a panicky kind of a person who just can't pack. Anyways, I have no need to pack all the time because I don't go anywhere. But it's just not a good experience for me to pack. वहाँ पे होटल पे तो I will just put it somewhere so I won't need it. I just need this logged until I reach the hotel. और उधर से भी कुछ ना कुछ जुगाड़ करके मैं ले आऊँगी इसको. So I think this should not leak anymore. Where should I put it? Found this bag. This is a really pretty bag that I love. So it goes with everything that I wear. This is a black moti wala bag. So this has zips at the front and this is how it goes. I've just fallen in love with this and इसको हमेशा protect करने के intention से I just put it somewhere कि यहाँ पे तो मेरे को मिल ही जाएगा and that is the place I just can never remember. So this is a proper moti wala bag and I just have to wear it on the Sufi night और जिसके भी साथ ही जाए. So I will just put it somewhere ऐसे प्रोटेक्टेड रहे. एक तो इसका मेजर जो मेरी अर्ज होती है ना इसको प्रोटेक्ट करने की कि एटलीस्ट नथिंग शुड कम ऑफ दिस. आई जस्ट हैव टू पुट इट इनटू समथिंग. दिस शुड डू. नो इट वोंट. दिस शुड डू. इसमें एटलीस्ट प्रोटेक्टेड रहेगा ना so it will stay well. I think I have kept everything. This is my bag that has my heels, my makeup, and my heels, my makeup. Okay, so this is my, I had to keep bangles as well, so I wanted to have royal blue. How to carry them? I have this high design ka box which has my lipsticks. I have good lipstick colors, but I just land up wearing the ones I love the most. I think I'll keep my bangles and jewelry in this one. Oh, nothing happens to this. This goes right in. The jewelry also I intend to keep in here. I have kept bindis. I've kept small bindis, so those will help as well. I think the jewelry is protected here. It should stay well. I've kept my night suit. I've kept my casual clothing, my footwears, my daily gowns. I've kept my medicines just in case if I require something. Garnier micellar I have kept. Makeup, makeup remover, contact lenses, my specs. Where's my specs? Where's my specs? I've kept my specs. So basically I have packed everything in. What else do I need? I need to get ready now. So I had forgotten my perfumes. So this is a small perfume and this was a sample that I got from Colabar. So these are just very easy to carry and they're very convenient. So I just carry these trial packs. This is an extra bag from Fenty and I will just put it right in. This is my bag. I think everything right in place. Ooh. So I'm mostly all packed. Alexa, what's the time?
It's 11:49 p.m.
I am
Have a
late.
great morning.
Yes, I will. I'm having. Now it's time for the checklist which is on my phone. I'll check if I'm forgetting anything. Mostly no. So I need to get ready now. This is what I think I'm wearing. So I'll just change. My watch. This watch was gifted to me by my sister on my 21st birthday. So this watch is special to me. Sunglasses I will need. So this is my vacay mode on. Okay, I have to keep my charger. Where? Kept my earphones, my charger. Pata nahi. Also, I got my hair done. So they are just. Okay, so I'm ready. Let's see बाहर जाके बाकी सबका क्या status है and what they are doing. So that was all about my packaging video for the hotel, and let's see how the wedding goes. Hoping for the best, and This is just very exciting. So now I've done the packing, I'm ready, and I will just check the status for others. So this was the last package that I had to fit in, and I just hope it all fits. Otherwise I'll have to put this in some other. It doesn't. It just doesn't fit. तो इसको मैंने निकाल दिया है. अब मैं इसको किसी और के सूटकेस में I will try to adjust this, but I just hope that I'm able to lock this up. I need to lock this up at least. So here I am, all packed, and this is how I get going. But of course this is still left. ये मैं किसी के सूटकेस में डालने की कोशिश करती हूँ, but majorly I am just done and I'll go नीचे. Bye bye, see you later.